Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am participating in the Fall Fireplace Mantle Challenge, and it is hosted by Stephanie from Creatively MsMeWithStephanie, and she is asking us to decorate our mantles or a hutch or a shelf for the fall season using a pumpkin and any of the decor that you have, but you must use a pumpkin. So go ahead and check out her channel. Her link will be down in the description box below, and also the link to the playlist will be in the description box below as well. So today I am in my master bedroom and I am decorating my faux fireplace, and I'm going for simplistic decor in my master bedroom because I just want it to be nice and peaceful and calming. But I am adding just a little touch of glam and a little vibrant color. So I'm going to leave you guys to the video and let you go ahead and watch and enjoy the video and enjoy the music. If this is your first time here at my channel, my name is Shushana. Hello and welcome. I do a lot of DIYs, home decor and seasonal decor here on this channel, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. I do also have a second channel, The Cleaning Queen, where I do a lot of cleaning videos, organization and decluttering videos as well. So those channels will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so, and go ahead and double tap that bell. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So I just wanted to pop in and just let you guys know that I am going to be having a fall tour coming up on this Friday the 25th. If you are interested in participating, you can add your videos to the link in the description box of my video. And it's going to be a fall tour, so you can have your video of, you know, your living room, your whole house, bedroom, or whatever it is. I am going to be giving you guys a tour of my master bedroom for the fall, so I would love for you guys to go ahead and participate. Also, I am having a DIY challenge on the 24th, so make sure you go ahead and join in that collaboration. It's an open invite and I would love to see you there.
But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else.
Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. I think it turned out so beautiful. It's very simple, it's festive. And I have my 2 skinny Christmas trees there. I didn't decorate these trees because I didn't want them to take away from the mantle, because the mantle is so simple. But I just love the way that it looks. It's a little glam, a little feminine, but it has that rustic touch and a little bit farmhouse. I do love the way that it turned out. These pumpkins, I actually had them for many years. The mustard yellow stems, I got them from Amazon. They are in my Amazon store, which is linked down in the description box below as well. And yeah, this fireplace cover, I actually got that at a yard sale. I got 2 of them, and they were 2 for $5, you guys. And I believe they retail for about 30 or 40 bucks each. So that was a great steal. I just love the way that this turned out, you guys. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like the way that this turned out. It's giving me like a romantic vibe, and that's kind of what I was going for. I didn't want it to be too overwhelming or too heavy. Because I wanted my master bedroom to be just very cozy and calming and peaceful, and I think that I achieved this look. So thank you so much, Stephanie, for having this challenge seasonally. I absolutely enjoy it every single time. Guys, go ahead and check out Stephanie's channel. She is amazing. She does home decor, she does thrifting, she does so much cooking, you guys. She is absolutely amazing, and she is just a sweetheart. So I will have her channel linked down in the description box below, as well as the playlist where you can go ahead and binge watch all the incredible ladies that are going to be taking part in this wonderful challenge. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to double tap that bell for new notifications so that you don't miss an episode. I have tons of fall videos coming up for you guys, and also some channel changes. So be sure to subscribe and stay in contact with me so that you will know what is going on. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and also the music. I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feel so